There are two basic issues with the Onewheel that makes them dangerous and have caused injury. The first issue that was recognized by the company, at least, as far as admitting to it, was the Onewheel GT electric skateboard. The GT had an issue where the foot pad, when you stand on these, you have 1 foot in front, 1 foot in back. One of the foot pads, I believe it was the front foot pad, would fail to cause the product to stop operating. It would fail to disengage after the rider dismounted while the board was in motion, and the skateboard could unexpectedly just continue to operate, posing an injury to bystanders. I have a client whose little stepdaughter, 4 years old, was watching her stepdad ride this thing up the driveway. He steps off of it. It shoots out from under him, hits her in the foot, breaks her foot. She needed to have surgery. It took several months to recover from that injury. We have that incident on videotape. The Ring camera at the home recorded the thing happening. But there was a recall issued by the Consumer Product Safety Commission for that issue with the GT model Onewheel electric skateboard, and that was issued by the Consumer Product Safety Commission in cooperation with the company on August 11, 2022. But there was a second issue where these products are causing injury, which is while you're riding it, by design, if the battery gets fully charged, there's supposed to be what they call a pushback, which helps you recognize the charging of the battery. I am not sure why it was designed this way, but in many of these products, what was happening was it was the pushback. If you're going 15, 18 miles an hour down the street, it caused people to lose their balance. Even experienced riders that owned these things for many months, had a lot of experience riding them, were experiencing this problem of the pushback causing them to lose balance and fall. And the company, for quite a while, resisted a recall of them. And on November 16, 2022, one of the commissioners of the Consumer Product Safety Commission issued a press release that's publicly available on the website of the Consumer Product Safety Commission. And it's titled, "Future Motion Refuses to Recall Deadly Onewheel Skateboard." It's dated November 16, 2022. And the language of this says, immediately stop using all Onewheel electric skateboards. They are not worth dying for. I've never heard anything so strong issued by the Consumer Product Safety Commission. It went on to say that the Onewheel self-balancing electric skateboards can eject their riders, causing serious injury and death. At least 4 people have tragically died from traumatic head injuries. The CPSC asked Future Motion to stop selling the Onewheel and to advise its customers not to use this product. The company refused. Future Motion is unwilling to take appropriate action to fix a product hazard that has killed people. CPSC had to take action and issue this warning to not buy or use this product. I have never, in all of my years, seen anything so damning issued by the Consumer Product Safety Commission about a product. Eventually, the company did recall all the Onewheel skateboards. There was a recall date of September 29, 2023. And there, the Consumer Product Safety Commission on its website published what is titled Future Motion Recalls Onewheel Self-Balancing Electric Skateboards Due to Crash Hazard, 4 deaths reported. The recall says name of product, Onewheel electric skateboards, all models. And it states the hazard to be, quote, the skateboards can stop balancing the rider if the board's limits are exceeded, posing a crash hazard that can result in serious injury or death. And the remedy they list here is a refund or repair. Now, the company's still in business. This recall covered 300,000 of these units that have been sold. But the advice is if you have any of the skateboards made by Future Motion called Onewheel that were the subject of this recall issued in September 2023. Stop riding it, at least return it to the company for a refund or a repair. But if you've been injured by one of these, you got a claim.